we are going to see the intellectual property right subject. So under this IPR we are going to see about that industrial design. So what does mean by industrial design? So already we have some design available like so many components. So in this slide shows about that the car chair and juice jar, so normal chair. See, already the seats and jars and the normal chairs available in our places. But now, what is the difference between the existing one and the now recent one thing is very important one thing. So already have the seat is there isn't some existing problem. In this design we may be invented some comfortable region. So in this chair having already the chair is available, so some of the design is changed from existing one to the new one. This is a industrial design. Already the design available for some of the machines or components, but now the inventor invent the new design for our comfortable. That design will be registered for the rights for intellectual property rights. So when the company are competing at equal price and quality, design is the only differential that the matter. So the price is based on that the quality and the design. So for example, you may be concerned for that the pen, normal pen is available and the Parker pen is available. There is a normal pen having some quality and design, but Parker pen is having some quality and design. So based on that, the comfortability of that usage and also quality, the price will be varied based on that design and the quality. So industrial design. So industrial design is that aspect of useful article which is aesthetic, two-dimensional features like patterns, lines, colors, etc., and the three-dimensional features like shape, surface of the article, etc. So example, shape of the handle or body portion of the pressure cooker. A design must be a new or original and industrially reproducible not to become eligible for protection under industrial designs law. The protection of industrial design is retrievable and there is only civil remedy available against the infringements. So already some of the components available, that components having some problem while using, so we designed the following the existing problems. So that is the industrial design. That design may be a new or solving the existing problem, maybe we register for that industrial design. So industrial properties. So industrial property shall be understood in the broader sense and shall apply not only to industry and commerce proper and but likewise agriculture. So to all manufacture or natural products, for example, vents, grains, tobacco leaves, fruits, cattle, minerals, waters, flowers and floors. So several industrial properties are available. Here we are showing the some of the examples. One is a tire, another one is a jar. So this tire used for car or bike or buses, so many places. See the tire company, several company available like MRF, CED, etc. So how the company varying that based on that quality. See here we showing that some of the design over the tire. So likewise you may be take it at the MRP tire or CA tire, means the design will be varied and also the quality of tire will be varied based on that company. So this is one of the design for the friction between the road and the tire easily that tire will be worn out. So based on that, the design structure of the above tires, it's one of the examples for industrial design. So another thing is here we are showing that one of the jar. So the jar may be used for carrying water, oil, or anything. Maybe we will be used like the heater. In this jars already some of the design is available. Now here we showing one of the jar that may be comfortable for holding the jar. This is one of the industrial designs. See here we are showing the Coca-Cola bottle. So already the Coca-Cola bottle opening is normally opened by the hand, but now the quality of the bottle closing is increased. So the opening of that Coca-Cola bottle by the some of the new instruments. So this is one of the new industrial designs. See here we showing two types of Pepsi bottle. One is left side, another one is right side. The left side one is existing one, the right side one is a new one. So the existing one is there is in bottle shape. We hold the Pepsi bottle means so unable to hold all the time in this Pepsi bottle. So the right side showing the Pepsi bottle having some design for holding purpose, and also that some aesthetic purpose. So this is one of the industrial design for existing one and the new one. So our next one is textile jewelry. Here this slide showing so many things like that cloth, rings and watches. So many textile and jewelry showing here. See here we are showing one is differentiated from other thing. So the design is changed from one is to other. So all the things differ from one thing. So this is the design for the textile and jewelry shops. Based upon the design, the customer will be attractive by that design. So this is one of the industrial designs. See, industrial designs can design national cultures and prologues. So here we are showing two images. So this is designed by two graphic designs. These designs are showing about that our national cultures. So this is also one of the design for the enrichment of our cultures under the memory of our existing cultures. See, this is a 3D computer graphical design. So the existing slide showing about the two-dimensional designs. So in this slide showing about the three-dimensional designs. So applying for a production of new and original designs enable owners to propose a license to create a new income and receive royalties. See the industrial design. So some character graphical designs like some of the Mickey Mouse. So suppose we are going to register for industrial design in IPR office means here we showing about that the many of the shoes used in our current stage, but here we are showing that the Galaxy Footwear Private Limited. So many of the shoes available, but the design is differentiated from one to others. If you are going to design industrial, going to register industrial designs means we are needed to produce that like this designs: front view, back view and the side views. This is views, top views and bottom views. So this is the design for the Milk Bikis packet designs for attractiveness for the children's. So the intercell design not only particular places, the intercell design existing for all the places. Here you are showing that the measuring instruments furnishings 10 percentage, intercell designs is by classes 32, measuring instruments 16 percentage, furnishing the 10 percentage, package and container 8 percentages, household goods the 8 percentages, governments and textile 6 percentage, means and transports 5 percentage, fluid distributions is heating equipment is 5 percentage, decorative items 5 percentage, the electronic goods is 3 percentage. So these are the intercell design split up in various places. Okay, thank you.